What is your most valuable asset? Is it your money? Your skills? No, it's your attention. Hollywood used to think it could buy it with a massive star or a guaranteed sequel. But in the early 2000s, one company ignored all that. They didn't bet on a star. They bet on a decade-long promise, a 10-year plan that turned comic book B-listers into a $30 billion empire. They didn't just disrupt Hollywood, they built a universe. And the same strategy they used to conquer the box office is exactly what you need to build your own future. Here's the forgotten truth. Before this universe began, Marvel was a fragmented mess. Imagine trying to build a killer team, but your best players, Spider-Man, X-Men, Fantastic Four, were playing for other leagues. They were using the B-team, Iron Man, Thor, Captain America. Hollywood laughed. But desperation can be the ultimate fuel. Kevin Feige and his team didn't see a weak hand. They saw the founding fathers of a new world. Their genius wasn't a secret formula. It was a ruthless commitment to control. Most studios license. Marvel said, nope, we're producing this ourselves. This is the first crucial lesson. They stopped focusing on the short-term cash. They chose the long-term goal of keeping the creative engine. By self-producing, they made decisions purely for the health of the entire universe. They traded instant gratification for lasting value. It's the same choice you make every day between a quick distraction and a long-term goal. Now for the real masterstroke, interconnectivity. They didn't build a series of movies. They built a serialized comic book. Every film, even the minor ones, was secretly a trailer for the next one. They weaponized the post-credit scene. They took a B-list characters movie, added an 8-second clip of Samuel L. Jackson, and suddenly that B-list movie became a required piece of homework for the biggest cinematic event in history, the Avengers. They turned a consumer into a completionist. You had to watch the origin stories to understand the ultimate climax. This decade-long foundation wasn't just a business plan, it was an emotional investment. By the time Avengers Endgame finally arrived, it wasn't a movie. It was a cultural reunion. The raw emotion wasn't just for the characters. It was for our time, our loyalty, finally being rewarded on an unprecedented scale. That is the power of commitment. Other studios tried to replicate it and failed. Why? Because Marvel wasn't selling movies. They were selling the universe itself. So forget the next product. Stop thinking about the next week. Start building your next phase. Be a completionist in your own life. Create a system, a universe, where every decision you make, no matter how small, adds value to the ultimate climax you're building toward. Your 10-year plan starts now. What is the most crucial, underrated character in your own story? If you're ready to build your own billion-dollar future, hit that like and subscribe button.